Hello and welcome to the rope stitch. For materials, we'll need a basic size 4 yarn and a 5mm crochet hook. To start, we will chain in multiples of 3 and then add 3 at the end. 2 of these are for the standard pattern and then 1 for the turning chain. For row 1, place 1 double crochet in the 4th chain from hook, then chain 1 and a double crochet into the next chain. Skip 1 chain and then place 1 double crochet in after the skip chain. Chain 1 and then 1 double crochet into the next chain. Repeat to the last chain. In the last chain, place 1 double crochet. For row 2, we will chain 3 and turn. Skip the first 2 double crochets. Then in the chain 1 space, place 1 double crochet, chain 1, 1 double crochet. Skip the next 2 double crochets and repeat the same pattern into the next chain 1 space. When you get to the last double crochet, you will skip it and then place a double crochet into the chain 3 turning chain. Repeat row 2 until your desired length, then fasten off and weave in your tails.